Hey everyone, it's June 17th. Let's dive into the SPY, look at the price action, and see what we're looking for tomorrow. So today we gapped down and we got right above the daily VWAP, rallied into Friday's high, and broke above it and started to really squeeze, right? We rallied into that 5-day Bollinger Band at this 545, started to stall a little bit, squeezed above, broke above that Bollinger Band, created a new all-time high, pulled back, retested it for the close. Okay. We could see the gap from this, the VWAP from this gap has been holding a support very significantly. Right. We have a rising 5-day moving average, rising 20. Everything's looking very bullish, rising 200, trading above the year-to-date VWAPs. Okay. And the year-to-date VWAP low. Year-to-date VWAP and year-to-date VWAP low. So let's dive in and look at some key levels. So I'm looking for a little pullback into this 3-day VWAP and Friday's high. Okay, we can see there's a VP cluster right here, and I would love to see this former resistance act as support, right? So then from there, we could see this 543.06, 542.81 act as support, and we could rally into this 3-day VWAP and start to see buyers get back in control from this little sell-off. Okay. Then we can see ourselves look for some consolidation at this 545 at the 3-day VWAP, right? And then look for it to start getting going at 545.50 area. And then we'd be looking for a stop at this 544.50. So risking about $1 to push from 545.50 into the 548 area and potential all-time highs to 550. So, it's about risking $1.50 for a potential push of $5 and a nice little ring in the register for this double top at 548, right? About $3. So it's a decent risk reward that we're looking at. Now, say we rally up and we fail the 3-day VWAP in this area. Okay. So we rally up to that 3-day VWAP, pull back, rally into that 3-day VWAP. It's going to be flat to declining, and we get trapped. We start to decline a little further. Next key level I'm going to be looking at is up in this level. Okay, it's this gap fill. 536.22 at that point. Okay, which is the weekly VWAP, and you can start to see this level of resistance even on the daily, right? Then we could look to see if this could act as support. Okay. And then the monthly VWAP, where the buyers are in control, could then step up. Okay. And that will give us some time. This 5-day moving average start to flatten out, get short sellers excited. And then we could get short sellers excited. And then we could look for another potential setup at this 542. And then risking goes 539.85. Maybe even a little higher if something sets up. But that's a potential area. All right, we get the flat to rising 5-day, break above, consolidate 541, and then stop under the 539.85, 541.34 area, 541, and then that Friday's low area, which hopefully we can set up another higher low over here. So that's what I'm looking for. And if that fails, maybe even a deeper pull back into yeah, 534 and 529. So be looking for the same thing. And at that point, we'll be under a declining 5-day moving average, which these levels, if you see it, basically the 20-day moving average, 532 area. So hopefully that was helpful. See how tomorrow plays out. Have a good night.